Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to pay your credit card bill on Capital One mobile app. First, you'll have to open your Capital One mobile application on your phone and make sure that it has the latest update. Then you'll have to sign in into your account. Once you sign in, it will show you here all the cards and all the accounts that you have. You just have to click on the card that you want to do the payment for. Once you click on it, it will show you this page. Just click on Not Now. Then here it will show you this button, Make Payment. Tap on it. Then here you'll have to choose who do you want to pay to and where do you want to pay from. In addition to that, you will have to choose the date and the amount. So I'm going to click on Pay From. Then you'll have to choose between a bank account or another payment account that you have. Then you'll have to choose the date. It will show you these options. And after that, you'll have to choose the amount. You can simply choose any one of these amounts or click on Add Amount and enter the amount that you need. Once you finish all these things, you should slide like this in order to pay and complete your payment. Then after that, we'll show here this page and it will show exactly when will the payment be done. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.